If you are a new Bluebeam user, watching this short video tutorial will help you understand how to search and customize preferences settings with ease. As you can see, Bluebeam offers a wide range of options, and the entire interface is full of customizable features and settings. Go to the Revu menu and click the Preferences settings. You can see a list of different options that segment these settings. This isn't very clear for new Bluebeam users. For instance, the Markups list settings are hidden inside the Interface option. But if you are using the updated Bluebeam version, you can access your desired features by searching for a keyword. For instance, let's type Markups, and all of the relevant settings will appear below. Similarly, if we search for the Snaps option, all the settings associated with snaps will appear. If you click the Snap to Markups option, the preferences will direct you to all the snap options, where you can enable or disable different snap features. This is how you can easily navigate preferences. If you are unable to see the search bar in the preferences, go to the Help menu at the top and click the Check for Updates option. Update the Revu app on your desktop, and when you reopen it, the search bar will be there. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with brighter graphics.